Hello, my name's Tom Zessiger, currently an instructor in ELEN 307 Digital Circuit Theory. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the course. So, basically, ELEN 307 is a foundational course in digital circuit theory and design. And there's the course description. I won't read all that off. I'll get a little more into that in the following slides. Okay, so basically in the class, we're going to start out with different numbering systems. Digital systems use completely different numbering systems than you're probably used to or you've used in any other type of class or system. Boolean algebra, completely different type of algebra based on logic, which you may or may not have seen, but again, it's kind of specific to the digital circuit theory realm. We're going to design a series of different types of circuits using a simulation software and the hardware description language. And we're going to also program the logic device so you can actually see your results. We'll evaluate different methods of designing circuits, kind of see what's a better way to approach the problem given your set of specific design requirements and constraints. And a lot of times people in the technical field don't like to write or do communication type of things, but that's very important. You always need to be able to communicate your results. If you can't do that, how good you are at designing, analyzing circuits, or anything else is sort of irrelevant, if you can't effectively communicate your results to someone. So get a lot of practice in doing that also. So how's this relevant to the field? Well, in electrical engineering, this is a foundational course in circuit design. Can also lead into the design of more complicated systems such as computers. Why is this relevant? Digital circuit technology is all around us in everything today. Most any type of modern electronic system is based on digital technology. You see it and hear it everywhere. What can you use this for? Well, like I said, you can just use it for designing circuits, components, more complicated digital systems such as computers. It also spills over into pretty much every area of electrical engineering now, such as communications. You hear digital communications, telecommunications is based on digital technology now. So, the basis of that is some sort of digital circuit somewhere in the system. So, what do you need to know for digital circuit theory? The prerequisite is ELEN 305, electrical circuit analysis, which is actually analog circuits. And the reason for that is because there's no pure digital circuit. It's based on some sort of analog switching circuit somewhere or sampling of a digital signal. So you kind of have to have the foundation in analog circuits to get a good appreciation for digital circuit technology. There's really no other knowledge required. Just, kind of be willing to learn and think outside the box of, the digital logic's a little bit different. So the next course in the series that's recommended is ELEN 416, Control Systems Theory and Design. That's not really based on any type of digital technology, but later on, you can actually move into ELEN 430, Embedded Systems Design. That's, taking your digital circuit theory and designing more complicated processors for, to be embedded in a circuit board and maybe a communication system or a radar or something like that. So ELEN432, that's kind of, microcontroller based systems. That's kind of maybe where you take ELEN416, your control systems and your digital circuit theory, and kind of merge those to, design some sort of microcontroller to control maybe a robotic arm or something based on digital technology. So that's the pretty overview summary of digital circuit theory. I wish you a productive term.